Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. Jeff over at Jeff's Model Car Garage, I believe it is, and Greg at Mutt Modeler announced tonight that they're having they're sponsoring a appreciation group build for our good friend Brian over at BG Model Workshop. I've had the pleasure of meeting Brian. Got a lovely token from him at NNL West. Unfortunately, he and I are both big fans of Star Wars, and more so of the old TV show Firefly. And I don't know if there are any Firefly kits out. I think there is a model of Serenity, but I think it's a 3D printed kit, and I do not have a 3D printer. And since we both like Star Wars, I decided I have a bunch of Star Wars kits. I decided I would build the Snowspeeder, this nice Bandai kit. I have built TIE Fighters, and I'm currently building an X-Wing for Mars's Rust Bucket group build. I have never built a Snowspeeder, so I figured I would give this a shot. It's a pretty easy kit, even if I have to paint it. I think this would be really cool. I don't think I'll be making a diorama of it. It might change. I have a year to do this. We'll have to see what happens in the year. I may decide to build a diorama. I may not, but we'll see what happens. This is a great group build. Brian is a really great guy. Real inspiration to the hobby. He's really nice. Very helpful. Has some great ideas. Built some beautiful models. I got to see the Tetanus Cab in his 32 Ford in person at NL West. It was really great. Really nice guy. He is a very tall human being, but very kind-hearted and really nice. And this will be a fun group build. I hope a lot of people join because Brian deserves it. And we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.